So today I want to make chin chin. Don't mind this number. I want to make chin chin. So my bowl is. Sometimes this thing used to misbehave. So I want to scale my flour first. Because one thing, you need to scale. Okay? So I'm scaling 1/8 each one. So I know how many 1/8 I'm going to get because I have my calculations already. So this is 1/8. Pour it in the bowl. So now I'm going to measure my sugar. I need about 2,550 or thereabout for sugar. So that's the sugar there, 2,550. Add it to the flour. So I'm going to measure my pepper. I need pepper. So this is pepper chin chin I want to do. Pepper chin chin. So here I have my chili pepper. So I'm going to measure in like 350 grams of this pepper. It's very, very hot. I've added that. So I'm going to add my salt. I forgot to collect salt from this bowl yesterday. Oh my goodness. 210. See? This way. Okay. This is enough. 200 something salt. So I'll also be adding milk flavor. This is milk flavors. This is milk powder. So this is 500 grams of the milk on it. So the next thing I'm going to add some nutmeg. So I'll add like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add like 5. I don't want to add this much. I'll add more than once. Also I'll be needing some eggs. I'm needing some eggs, up to like 10 eggs. So I'm adding these are powder milk flavor. Also I have these liquid flavors. This is condensed milk flavor and buttery banana flavor from City Touch. So like I said, I have my eggs. So I'm going to add this egg here, add some water, and then add the flavors in it before adding it inside. But before then, I also have to add my butter. So I'm not adding baking powder to my chin chin. So this is the butter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 that is here. So it's supposed to give me 6. I don't know what it's for. So I'm going to just manage this 5 like that. I manage this 5 like that. So these are the things that I have mixed: the flour, the milk, sugar, pepper, butter, and everything mixed together.
So after the mixing, I went ahead and cut them. So after cutting, then I proceeded to frying. So the oil I have was not much, so I had to manage it to fry it batch by batch. So at the end of the day, this was the final product of the first batch of frying.